Good morning, sir. My name is Faidhi Aman,
I'm Hanief.
And I'm Adib Mifzal.
and today we're going to present our program. So, what is our program? Our program is a perfume cart and checkout system. So, the reason why we make this program is to help a perfume shop located in the heart of Kota Kinabalu who's currently facing challenge in efficiently managing its perfume checklist and billing process. The shop offers four types of perfume, which is Elixir, Conquer, Pure Divine, and L'Oreal Kuss, each available in different sizes with varying prices. So this is where the problem comes. Calculating the total prices based on the product type, size, quantity is currently done manually, which is very time consuming and prone to human error. So this is where our program comes. Our program is an automated perfume checklist system to streamline operation. This system will allow the user to input their name, selected product, size, and quantities.
I will now carry on to the main C++ program. For line 1 and to line 32, which is for libraries, declaration of global variables and arrays, and function declarations. First is libraries. We include IOStream, IOManIp, and CCType. Next, we declare global variables and arrays. We declare the maximum number of user and the maximum number of items in a cart, which are both 12. Also declares a fixed login credentials for the admin. We also declare a structure to group all variables related to the item into one. Finally, function declaration. We declare all the necessary function with the respective data type and parameters. For line 34 to line 107, we finally enter the main function. First, the program will display a welcome message. Increase the user with a welcome message for the Perfume checkout system. It will then display the main menu. It shows the main menu options for login or registration. The program also uses interaction loop. For admin login, if A is chosen, it prompts for admin credentials. It will log in if it's correct and show the admin menu. The same goes for the customer login, though this time it enters a loop where the users can select perfumes from a menu, choose size for certain perfumes, add selected items to the cart, and check out when they decide to end selection with option E. And then option C is for customer registration. It allows new customers to register with their own username and password. This program will loop using a while true loop until manually stopped.
The main function for this is to store the username and password in an array with a limit of 12 total users. This function uses a for loop to check if the user and password in the parameters are the same as the one predefined one. If the user input match with a registered customer, the function will return true, otherwise it will return false. This function is also the same as the previous one, but it only checks for the registered admin. Here is the main menu. It only displays three options: login as admin, login as customer, and registered as customer. Here is the customer menu. It displays 5 options, with option A, B, C, and D showing the availability, size, and price. Lastly, E is to proceed to checkout. Here is the size menu to choose from 32 ml or 15 ml.
So now I'm gonna explain the function definition of add to cart. The add to cart function is a function that will receive data from the parameter and add it into the cart item array. It will first check if the cart item is full. If the item count exceeds the maximum cart size, which is 12, it will tell the user that the cart is full and is unable to add more item. It will then return. Otherwise, it will just proceed as usual. The stored data will be stored in the cart item array and increase the item count by 1. It will then display a success message to the user that the item is successfully added to cart. Next is the function definition of checkout. The checkout function is a function that will display the receipt. The function prints all the items stored in the cart and display details including name, sizes, price, and quantity. And then it will display the total prices of all items. It will also increase the total sales. The total will be added into the total sales variable for the admin to check. And it will also prompt the user to make another order. User will be prompted to make another order or not. If Y is entered, it will empty the cart and return to the main menu. And lastly, the function definition of admin menu. The function definition of admin menu will display the admin menu and give the admin two options, which is A, to view the total sales, and B, to log out as admin. It will prompt the user to select an option, which is A and B. If A is selected or entered, the program will print the total sales made from all the customer, and if B, it will log out as admin and will return back to the main menu. Any invalid option will not show the A or B option, but it will instead show an error message and ask the admin to try again.